So now we're gonna take a look and see what the Action tab is about. We're gonna click on that. In here, you'll see a variety of icons. More than likely, your associate is going to only use this reconciliation key, the data synchronization, the manage lottery games, and the re-register the fingerprint when necessary. If you notice, we have a shift recon. We can add a daily recon. We can edit a recon, or we can manage to save. So for now, we're gonna close that. So let's go into data synchronization. In here, you'll notice there's a box and you would tap on the sync options. It gives you categories which you might choose depending on what it is you want to synchronize at the moment. Right now, we're going to synchronize our discounts. So I'm going to click on discount here. And if you notice, it's synchronizing your discount. This can take 30 seconds depending on how much data needs to be synchronized. Doing this on a regular basis will prevent a lot of time being taken at this moment. It is completed. Once that message comes across that it is completed, please close it out. In the Manage Lottery Games tab, that is where you will start to assign each ticket into a bin. You would click on the ticket accordingly. Let's go with this Gold Rush ticket. Let's put it in bin 1. You would go down the line depending on how many bins you have in your store. Some have 12, some have 24, some have 40. Those have to be done every time you install lottery tickets into the bin. You must update them in this portion of the system to have an effective recon where there's no mistakes being made. So for now, we're going to close that. Register your fingerprints. Depending on what option you've chosen, you can go ahead and re-register them in that icon. Let's go ahead and return home. If you notice, we have our to-do list. One of them was to sync our discounts today, which we have done. And then again, you can choose to edit and add whatever message is relative to you at the time.